Hello. I think you can hand over the mixer now. Sabotage.
Ooh, my stocking looking cute.
He's gonna ignore me with my burnt gingerbread man.
It is not my fault that you didn't pay attention to your little gingerbread man.
Hey. Hey Princess Squad, it's T
And Sprinkles.
and today we are going to do a fidget gingerbread cookie challenge. We found these cookie mix at Target, and every year it's a tradition to make gingerbread cookies. And this year, since fidget toys are so popular,
Very popular.
we're going to be making some gingerbread fidget toys.
So there's only one rule to this challenge, and that is you can pick any fidget toy you would like to make, and you guys get to choose who's the winner. Leave a comment down below and let us know.
All right, let's get started. Ready, set, go! Got my cookie mix, gonna dump it in the bowl. Next, we're going to add an egg. We also have butter and water. Hello. I think you can hand over the mixer now. Sabotage.
It is. This is a competition.
Well, yours is
But
done.
I guess since the season to be nice, I can share.
You please, thanks. We only have one mixer, you guys, so
We gotta share. While you do that, I can go with my hands.
Yep. I hope your hands are washed.
It is. I just washed it. Oh my gosh, this feels so like doughy.
It smells good too.
It really does. It smells like cinnamony. All right, so I think this is pretty good, and I think I'm gonna put it in the little paper right here.
All right, got mine, and it's so moist. I didn't honestly think it was gonna be this moist.
Because it's looking kind of dry.
I know.
earlier,
I was
huh?
like, should we add more water?
But now it's like sticking to my fingers, guys.
Yep.
So what are you gonna do? What fidget
I am not sure, but
She probably just doesn't want to tell me, even though I'm sitting right here. I can see it.
I'm going to make a gingerbread man puppet. That's what I'm gonna do.
So why did you go like this and I'm sitting right next to you?
Because you're gonna see it anyways.
I don't know what I'm making. I think either a snowflake. Do I want to be, you know, like Miss Extra and make a snowflake? Or
Good
do
luck
I
with
just...
that snowflake. I mean, I feel like it's gonna, I don't know.
I hear doubt in her voice.
Same.
Maybe I should just do a snowman.
I think that would be easier.
Is yours sticking to your fingers like mine?
No.
You sabotage me. You give me more water. Okay, so I think I'm done cutting mine out.
Me too. And it's time to use our little knife to cut out our shape. I think I'm gonna start with the head.
I think I'm going to do a stocking. Ooh, hopefully I can do it correctly.
Let's attempt to make a gingerbread man. I'm gonna peel off the extra and kind of fix it a little bit.
I'm gonna redo my little cotton spot.
Yeah, I was like, what is that?
It didn't look right after I looked at it.
Oh my goodness, this is such a waste. I'm definitely gonna save this and like make something else off camera because it smells so good. It reminds me of like a carrot cake. I love like cinnamon stuff. So now I'm gonna take my knife and I'm just going to flatten this right here to kind of make it more of a round shape because the edges are kind of all over the place. All right, I think we're all done here. Come check it out. What do you guys think? I hope that when it bakes evenly, but we will find out. So we're just gonna toss this one and
Mine into the oven, so this actually goes up here like this. See, it's a stocking.
All done here, and oh my goodness, sabotage. Look at this. Here we have hers, nice and pretty stocking. And look what happened to my gingerbread, you guys. It is burnt, overcooked, overbaked. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, my stocking looking cute.
He's gonna ignore me with my burnt gingerbread man.
It is not my fault that you didn't pay attention to your little gingerbread man.
Hey, it was because it was on the bottom rack, and so yeah, that's what happened. Okay, so we're just gonna ice it to cover it up anyway, so we won't be able to tell. We'll be okay.
All right, so I'm gonna ice all of mine white. Alright, time to do some decorations, and I'm probably gonna ice it like an outline maybe. This part's gonna be covered, so I'm not too worried about it. Alright, so far so good. On to the next. I think I'm gonna make some pinstripes. Oh no, this is kind of watery, so easy on the squeeze, easy on the squeeze.
Where's your poppet at? That's just a gingerbread stocking.
No worries, no worries. That's why we're gonna make little poppets right here. Right after I'm done making these X's.
All right, I'm gonna start with my eyeballs, which is a poppet eyeball. We're gonna add the green for the buttons. Going to do a red smiley face. And we're gonna go green. And the rest, I'm gonna fill it in with white to make it an official poppet. This is taking forever.
I know, you know I'm gonna cheat and I'm just gonna put my stocking on my little cloud. All right, now I'm gonna make some little circles for the poppet.
Gotta make it a poppet.
I'm making it, I'm making it.
All right, all done. Next up, it's time to add some sprinkles. I think I overdid it with the sprinkles.
I think you went a little too heavy on your sprinkles. I mean, I
go
can't even see the face no more.
And like redo some of the red. This is a hot mess, you guys. Hot mess.
That's why you put some on your hand. And maybe
I got sprinkle excited.
Oh.
What are you doing over there?
I'm putting sprinkles on mine, but not all crazily like yours.
I got excited.
I see.
All right, all done, you guys. You guys, let us know which one you like better in the comments below so we can figure out who the Poppet Fidget Gingerbread Man winner is. Is it my gingerbread man with the extra sprinkles right here?
Or is it my stocking? All right, let's pop some.
Over it. Time to just eat it, you guys.
Oh my goodness.
Craziness. Burnt cookie over here. I think it was a little fail on my end, but you know, just saying. Okay, you guys, we're gonna end the video out here. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us for more fidget fun. Also follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at
PrincessSquad.official.
And always remember to dream big,
have fun,
and be kind.
Bye!